Balut! I love balut. We'll get some when we come back, huh? So nandito na tayo sa Diguisit Falls. Napakaganda talaga ng waterfall na to. And it's not easy carrying a dambuhalang camera while you walk in these slippery rocks and everything. Pero syempre, para sa vlog, kayang-kaya. So wala akong dala na extra clothes or bathing suit or anything, pero gusto ko talaga mag-swimming dyan because it's really refreshing. So going in my shorts. Do it. Alright, I finally made it down. That was really hard going down that. These in my left hand, this huge camera in my right hand. I almost slipped a few times and broke my, actually not myself, my camera. I would actually fall on my arm and break my arm before I'd break this camera. All right, now we go home.